the bone. You can't use any napkins. You can't drink anything until after, okay?
Okay.
Alright? Tell me when you're ready. And you have 6 minutes.
I have 6 minutes? Okay. Hey everybody, I'm doing the blazing challenge. See me to do it. Subscribe to my video.
See you now.
Alright, I'm ready. Go.
Set, go.
You got 6 extra of those things?
Use 2 hands. Camera, please. Yummy, yummy. Hey, get out of the video. Oh, yeah, you do it.
Come on, David.
Keep going.
Don't stop, don't stop.
Yeah, 38 seconds.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
Oh god.
Yellow.
I think David just got a free meal from me.
Do they still give ice cream on there? Yeah.
Okay, I think he's feeling it.
Come on,
On
David.
top of the cooler.
David.
I don't want to get arrested.
112. Ding it. Round 4. Stop breathing in so much. One for Mary. You want to look like this?
Come on, watch it.
You can't find it? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Go ahead, man. You can do it.
What's the time?
36. 36.
Weren't you done by then?
Yeah, I did it in 39.
We did it in 139.
139.
Yeah, at the Rancho one.
You can do it, David. I believe in you.
You're welcome. Did you said you wanted potato wedges, right?
Right, thank you. Oh, those boogers are nasty.
Just keep on here. 228.
Halfway to the 8. That's perfect, David.
Oh my god.
Faster.
You can do it. Don't worry about it. It's just ice. Think of ice. It's beautiful fun. It's nothing. It's like
Think of the ice
it
cream.
has ranch on it. That's what you think about that. What's your number? 8686.
What's the time?
3 minutes.
Oh,
Very good, David. Soak yourself high.
oh shit. Oh my god.
They're ready to take a picture.
I know.
I need some more support. You need some what?
What? More support?
Yeah.
Come on.
Morally. There you go.
Hey, you good.
Go, David.
Come on,
You're
you
the
got
man.
this.
Come on.
Don't slam the table again.
Come on,
Oh
3 more.
my god, you don't have to do more.
I think he's done.
Come on. You can
3
do
more.
it.
Come on, you got 3 more.
No, you can do it.
That's good. Keep it moving like that. Choke.
Come on, do it. Go.
Come on, 2
Still
more.
like you to live in fun.
Oh fuck.
So wing first, wing first. Let's go. You can do it.
Both at the same time.
Beautiful. Come on.
One more.
Come on, David.
Get it, man.
Get the time.
Come on. You're getting free dinner for sure.
Oh fuck.
Or 26. Hey,
There's kids here.
Come on, David.
last one.
What's the
Water, 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 water.
Oh!
Take your picture.
Oh!
Oh, wait, you close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Wow!